Hi everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. We are going to be making this cute Merry Christmas card using the In Pine stamp set and a couple others here. It's pretty easy to make. All you need is some ink, paper, and then embellishments like rhinestones and ribbon. So let's get started on how to make this. What you're going to need is a typical card base in real red. It's going to be 11 inches by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2, so you get the tall and skinny version of a card, opening like that. And then you're going to need a piece of Whisper white paper. You can get one for the outside and one for the inside. They're going to be at 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. You're also going to need some red rhinestones, some double stitch satin ribbon in the color real red ink and shaded spruce ink, our stamp sets, which are going to be In the Pines, Cherish the Season, and Itty Bitty Greetings. And so this is a lot of stamps. Don't feel like you need to use all of these. You can customize the sentiment on the bottom to whatever you would like. I just like these ones, so that's why I included them. We're specifically going to be using the tall and skinny kind of shaded tree. In Cherish the Season, we're going to use the Merry Christmas sentiment, and the Itty Bitty Greetings we're going to use Sent with Love. So I already have those on my blocks. And then finally, we're also going to use our Stampin' Write markers in the colors Soft Suede and Shaded Spruce. So let's get started putting this together. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to stamp our tall and skinny tree upside down in Shaded Spruce. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp off once, so then I get a second generation stamp. So it's not as much of a dark, deep shaded spruce color. And we're just going to keep going and layering these stamps over each other until we get our mistletoe. What you can also do is you could take the Stampin' Write marker in Shaded Spruce, and on the brush side you can go in and add some ink in certain areas, so that way you're getting more depth to the stamp set. While we have our Shaded Spruce out, I'm going to actually also open up our real red, and we're going to stamp our sentiment on the bottom of the cardstock. And we're going to stamp Sent with Love in Shaded Spruce. Now that our stamping is done, we're going to go in with a soft suede marker, and we're going to use the more of the bullet tip. And we're just going to draw 3 lines at the top of the mistletoe, so it kind of gives the effect that it's hanging. Now we're going to add the Whisper white to the card base. Then I'm going to take my bow maker, or if you're talented at tying bows, you can go ahead and tie a bow, but I like using the bow maker in order to make mine. Then we're going to add our ribbon onto the card with a glue dot. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to add red rhinestones to the front of the card. And this is what the final card looks like. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. We post videos every Monday, and for measurements and pictures, be sure to visit our blog, which is in the description of this video. Thanks!